So, this Christmas message is for all our brothers and sisters who are not able to follow us here in our live Mass in the church, but over the internet we broadcast our Masses in Misa de Gallo to be one with the people, Filipino people, especially from St. Joseph Parish, who are not able to do it in the places where they are, especially in the Middle East. We have been in our prayers. And this facility is to remind you at home, to let you feel the spirit of Christmas, that you are not forgotten, that you are in our prayers. So I greet you together with Father Michael and all the staff at St. Joseph Church, especially you have been following us through the Misa de Gallo, and those who are in vacation have no opportunity to go and hear Mass. But through this facility of the broadcast over the internet, we are able to reach you. So I greet you, a very Merry Christmas, God bless you, and may you be always blessed by the Lord, and your 2014 may be filled with prosperity and bliss. Merry Christmas once again.